There were really three main components to the clinic. First was the classroom portion, where you go and you actually learn skills and techniques and sort of the process of having a client come in from the very first time all the way through settling their case or litigating their case. And then the second part was there was a simulated counseling section where we had pretend clients come in. We had a simulated fact pattern of a legal problem that they were having, and we had 3 different simulated meetings with our client throughout the semester, and they were videotaped so that we could watch ourselves and reflect on how we were incorporating the skills we had learned from the clinic into the actual simulation. And then finally, the third part of the clinic was a placement portion, and in that part you got to go out and actually work at a government office or a nonprofit that does work where you could actually use these client counseling and interviewing skills. So we got to interact with clients at whatever place we chose to work and really practice these skills on a weekly basis that we were learning at this clinic because I'm hoping to practice at a small firm after graduation, and I knew that at a small firm I would be expected to have my own cases and my own clients early on in my career, and I just really wanted to have some concrete practical skills that I could use and implement in my practice, so I thought this was the perfect clinic to get that experience. I learned how to create proposals for a client on how to settle their case, and basically just how to take a client from our first meeting all the way through following up with their case and resolving their legal problem. My favorite part is a really tough question for me because there were lots of things that I really liked about this clinic. One of the big things that I really liked was that there were only 12 students in the class, so it was a very small group, and we all got to talk and interact with each other a lot, and we also interacted with our professor a lot and really had a great working relationship with everyone in the course. And then I really enjoyed the placement portion, and I was able to work at a nonprofit law firm, and I did some really great work, I think, for the clients that I worked with there, and I had a lot of people express their appreciation for the work that I was able to do, and I just feel like I could never have done that work had it not been for the client counseling and interviewing clinic giving me that opportunity to do that during law. I would recommend this course really to anyone at UCLA law, but specifically people who want to practice at a smaller mid-sized firm or a public interest organization, because those are the types of places where you're going to have client contact early on in your career, and I really think that this clinic gives you some invaluable skills for learning to interact with clients early on.